Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Welcome back to the new video. Today we will start the discussion again on the next set of the questionnaires for SAP S4 HANA sales certification for on-premise and cloud version. Let's start the discussion again guys. Next question is select the correct outbound process in EWM. EWM is Extended Warehouse Management. First option is transportation processing. Second is outbound delivery processing with picking and PGI. Third is picking optimization, packing, staging, and load management. Fourth is internal routing and reallocation. Guys, reallocation is related with the back order processing. The correct option here is with respect to the outbound processes in AWM is picking optimization, packing, staging, and load management. Remember the correct option, guys. Next question, I have seen this in many SAP exams. Question is after changing the master data, that means when we are changing the customer master data, okay, which data gets updated automatically in the existing sales order. Existing sales order means the sales order that have already created in the system. Those have created in past. So the historical data, this means that we are talking for the historical sales order that already exist in the system. So which data will get updated guys automatically? Address, shipping condition, incoterm and payment terms. Remember address, this question I'm for sure, and it's a good possibility guys, you will get or you'll be seeing this question in the certification. Okay, so remember, address data gets updated even in the historical documents. Okay. Next is select the correct option. Which organizational unit represent the geographical aspect of the organization in sales and distribution in SAP HD? Sales office is called as a geographical location. It's a physical location, guys. Remember, sales office is a physical location where the different sales group and sales employee perform the sales related activity. Okay, and it is called as a geographical location of the organization. So correct answer is sales office. Remember. Next question is select the correct option when you save the invoice. When you save the invoice. When we save the invoice, there are many activities that happens automatically in the background. First is the document flow gets updated. So whenever we create the invoice, you can go to the document flow. You will see the document flow is updated and status gets updated at the table level. Okay. Goods issue. Second is goods issue posted. That happens before itself, guys. That is not the consequential activity of the invoice posting. No, that happens before the invoice creation. If goods issue has not posted, almost in all the cases, we can't create the invoice. Account receivable is posted. Yes, account receivable means AR account, customer AR account. Delivery document is completed. That is a preceding document activity, guys. So the correct option here is the document flow is updated. In case other than these four options, if you may be having the option of as the status, document status gets updated, then you could have selected that as well. Okay, because status gets completed. Next question. What can you do in the sales order fulfillment monitor Fury application, guys? We are having the different Fury application. I will try to show you different Fury application. So first is the monitor sales order in critical stage, execute order related billing, start automatic pricing update for all sales order, Check and edit the payment term on the header at item level. Identify the customer master issue. Here we can we can identify the sales order which are in the critical stage. That is the first correct option. We can do the order related billing as well. Okay, so these are the use of the sales order fulfillment monitor Fiori application. Yeah. Next question is, from where we can control the calculation type and scale basis type in the pricing. From where we can control the calculation type and scale basis type. Guys, this is a bit confusing question. Okay, and individual will have to put more attention to understand the question, because we can enable the skills at the condition record level as well, guys. Okay, remember, we do have that option. Once you go to the VK12, you select the line item and click on the scale pricing. But that is not a control, guys. That is the enablement of the condition record for the scale pricing. So understanding of the question is very important, guys. You have to read the question 2 or 3 times to understand the real ask. Okay, here the real ask is, which object or which parameter control the calculation type. So this is the condition type, guys, which control and regulate the behavior of the scale pricing. Okay, remember it. Which Fiori app can be assigned to the business role internal sales representative? Manage sales quotation, pick outbound delivery, manage billing document, sales order fulfillment. You will get a similar question, not same, but similar question in future sets as well. And remember, sales representative is one role, and sales supervisor is another role, and supply chain manager is another role. These are the different roles nowadays, guys, in the global organization. These are the different roles. So sales manager usually takes care all the logistics part, including the sales order management. Okay, and sales representative is having the access more on the pre-sales activity. So the correct option here is manage sales quotation and sales order fulfillment monitor. Which SAP Fiori application can be assigned to supply chain manager? To supply chain manager. Guys, manage credit memo request. This is one. This is one Fiori tile of its type. Manage credit memo request. Through this application, we can create a credit memo request, and that credit memo or request can go for the further fulfillment. That means the credit memo can be posted. Manage sales order. It is all about creation, change, or update the sales order. So through this application, the supply chain manager can perform almost all the sales order related activities. Sales order fulfillment, you already aware of it. So these are the three applications that is assigned to the supply chain manager. Manage billing documents, manage teams and responsibility. It is end. Guys, manage teams and responsibility. This is a Fiori application. I will try to show you in the system what is the significance of it. It is used basically to assign the teams member and responsibilities. Who will approve a particular document? Who will approve a sales order to go for the further fulfillment? Who can approve a credit memo request which is below $100 or below 100 INR, or which is above 100? Okay, so this is defined the roles, responsibilities, team member, team owner. These are defined under the manage teams and responsibility Fiori application. Next question is, which Fiori application can be assigned to a credit supervisor? So credit supervisor always have the Fiori application. Out of these five, he or she will be having the manage documented credit decision. Guys, this application will give you the list of the sales order which are blocked because of the credit, which are blocked because of the credit. So this is a documented credit decision Fiori application, guys. How to search it, how to find it, I will show you in the system, guys. Yeah. Last question for today. Which Fiori application can be assigned to a supply chain supervisor? So out of these four, manage sales order is the responsibility of the FSCM supervisor of the supply chain supervisor. Sales order fulfillment, this is the responsibility of the supply chain supervisor. Manage billing documents is usually taken care by a different team from the finance team. Manage documented credit decision is also usually takes care by the finance team, guys. Okay, or from the, if they are having a different team for related with the credit, then that team takes care. So the correct answers here are manage sales order and sales order fulfillment monitor. These are the two Fiori application. Those roles should be assigned to the supply chain supervisor, guys. In the next set of video, we will go ahead and proceed new set of the questionnaires for SAP S/4HANA sales certification. Till that time, guys, happy learning and all the best. I'll see you in my next video. And if this video is useful for you, then click on the like button and subscribe my channel, guys. Happy learning and take care.